I was going to ask you about fostering, the team camaraderie and, the strength in numbers side of things. What's the best example you've seen of a workshop fostering that teamwork mentality?
I can't say from outside because I haven't spent a lot of time on the floor analysing other workshops. I can only look on my own experiences in my own workshop, and we've had some highs and lows in my life. I've employed a lot of mechanics over the years, in the last 40 odd years, and some of them just are not people, personable people.
Those people.
People persons. They're not all that.
They find solace with a tool in the hand, under the bonnet, working in that environment.
Yes, and some aren't good communicators, haven't got confidence to talk to each other. They think if they don't know how to do a job, they lose respect from their peers. It's not that way, though.
Yeah.
If someone asks for help in your life, and I can say from my, if anyone, I don't care who they are, if they willingly and honestly ask me for help, I'm going to jump in and help. And I think most people in this world are the same.
Yeah.
We want to help the person as much as we can. That's one of the great satisfying things in life, as far as I'm concerned, is being able to help people when you choose to.
And in an team environment, being able to help your teammate on the workshop floor or management helping, this is what's going to get it going?
For sure. And respect for each other. So it's got to come from the top. So it's got to be spruiked from the top. And when you employ someone, you've got to guide them and say, well, to fit into our team, you've got to respect everybody in this team. Between the people that order the parts, and the people on the phones, the people who do the invoicing, to every part's a team player. Everyone's a team player. They have to be a team player. So it comes from the top. It can only come from the top. The dog wags his tail. The tail can't wag the dog. So, I mean, we can't have the employees run the business. We need the leaders at the top to guide our employees, the mechanics, on how to get along with each other and how important it is for that business to survive.
When it comes to the workshop owners taking responsibility for their teams, how do you think they can keep the technicians engaged in their careers and happy about their careers?